Ever wondered how much oil your car should burn? Well, grab your notepad because we're diving into a puzzling auto mystery today. New cars and those clocking over 100,000 miles each have their tails, and boy, are they different. For new cars, oil burning should be as rare as finding a parking spot downtown during rush hour. Ideally, you're looking at almost no oil loss between changes. Think 0 to 1 quart every 3,000 miles. Pretty sweet deal, right? Now, if you own a car with over 100,000 miles, expect a little more excitement under the hood. It's normal for these veterans to gulp a quart every 1,000 miles. And certainly alarming, but relax. It doesn't spell doom. Here's a pain point. You're standing by the dipstick, heart pounding, wondering if you're burning oil or if it's all a bad dream. And this ambiguity can send you spiraling into doubt. But fear not, regular checking is your best friend here. Step one, hop that hood like a boss. Make sure your engine is cold or has been off for at least an hour. Step two, pull the dipstick, wipe it clean, and dunk it back in, then out again. Voila. There's your oil level. If the level's low, top it up with the manufacturer's recommended oil. Keeping a quart of the right oil in your trunk earns you major pro points. That way you can address any surprise dips on the go. A real lifesaver at times. Now let's talk about that dreaded oil light. It's not just a festive decoration for your dashboard. And when it blinks, like it's begging you to act. And toilets flush with less enthusiasm, so check that dipstick pronto. Driving with the oil light on is like running a marathon with a sprained ankle. It's a fast track to engine damage, aka expensive repairs, and we don't want those, right? We're all trying to stretch that auto soft spot. Alternatively, if your car is past its first century on the odometer, consider using high mileage oil. It's quite formulated with conditioners to swell seals, reducing leaks and consumption. A bit of extra cost now saves on headaches later. Interestingly, different engines have unique oil burning patterns. Turbocharged engines, for example, can be oil thirsty. They might turn into oil guzzlers faster than your daily commute coffee. So always think check engine before worrying. And a pro tip, track your oil consumption. Do that most of your mileage. Note down every time you add oil and your mileage that's stuck to your mileage. Apps are available to help, or you can go old school with a pencil and notepad. Remember, knowledge is power and saves dollars. Keeping tabs on oil consumption not only appeases curiosity, but alerts you to potential issues early. An unusual increase signals its detective time. You could catch small problems before they become a full-blown engine saga. Stay observant and stay ahead.